Atmosec is a company that helps you protect your SaaS ecosystem. To explain better what we mean by ecosystem here, it actually means understanding what are the different SaaS services that you have in your organization, including shadow SaaS and long-tail SaaS services that are being used, understanding how those services are mapped to the different users, or basically who are the different users that are using which services. It's understanding how those services are configured and if the configuration is correct. It's understanding how those different services communicate between each other, and it's also understanding which kind of data is being moved from one service to another, or what kind of data each service stores. So Atmosec, first of all, helps you get full visibility into your SaaS ecosystem. You get a full mapping of all the SaaS services that your organization uses or utilizes, including what SaaS services do you have, what do you have, what is being used, what kind of data being transferred from one place to another, who has access to which piece of information, and what the behavior of the different services is. The second piece of it is protecting your organization. Protection is done by understanding what's the behavior in your organization relatively to a baseline of behaviors that we expect of those services to have. And this way we can find anomalies or outright malicious behavior that the behavior in your organization does not match what would be expected of those services. And the third piece is prevention. Basically help you understand how to configure and what to do in your organization that will prevent the next attack. There's a lot of emphasis on zero trust and least privilege principles for users in organizations, but there's not enough emphasis on API keys, for example. And in many cases, and for many SaaS services, there are as many API keys or as many auth tokens or other ways of service-to-service communication as users. And we should apply those zero trust and least privilege principles to those tokens and API keys as well.